Hello everyone, I'm back with another recipe. Today's recipe is the traditional Portuguese dish called Frango, which is very easy to make. Basically, if you want something quick but be elaborated, that's the recipe you're looking for. The best thing about this dish is the fact that you don't need to use your oven to cook this dish. By the way, if it's your first time in my channel, subscribe it, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video in this channel. For this recipe, I started by boiling chicken breast, which I use 2 chicken breasts, but you can use much more if you need more. I use this boiled water and I season with salt and 1 garlic. After I boil everything for 15 minutes. So here are all the ingredients I'm gonna use in this recipe. And is done. I was very happy with the final result. I just used some spring onion to decorate a little bit the dish. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Is your first time seeing this recipe? Have you ever tried this recipe? If you tried, definitely let me know what you think about this recipe. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you probably next week. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next week. Bye. Thank you. Bye.